Welcome back to another episode of Excel Made Easy. In this video, we're diving into one of Excel's most powerful features, the table. Tables in Excel make it easier to manage, sort, filter, and analyze your data all in a few clicks. Before we jump in, let's understand why tables are useful. They help you keep data organized, apply consistent formatting, and automatically extend formulas to new rows. Plus, Excel tables come with built-in filter buttons and styling options that make your data cleaner and more interactive. This is how to insert a table. Let's get started. First, select the range of cells that contains your data. Make sure there are no completely empty rows or columns in the range. Now, go to the top menu and click the Insert tab. In the Tables group, you'll see an option called Table. Click on it. A small pop-up appears asking if your table has headers. If your first row contains column names like Name, Subject 1, or Subject 2, check the box. Then, click OK. Look, my data is now formatted as a dynamic table. Want to save even more time? Also, we can use the shortcut, Ctrl+T. Just press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. It's the fastest way to insert a table in seconds. Same steps apply. Confirm the headers. If you already have headers with your data, just tick the box My table has headers. If not, just leave the box blank and then hit OK, and you're done. Now we can explore the features of the table. Now that the table is created, notice what's changed. Each column now has a filter drop-down menu allowing you to quickly sort or filter data. You can also change the table style with a single click from the Table Design tab that appears automatically when a table is selected. Want to add totals? Check the Total Row option in the Table Design tab, and Excel adds a summary row at the bottom. You can choose functions like sum, average, count, and more right from that row. Now let's look at benefits recap. Inserting a table in Excel improves formatting, allows easy sorting and filtering, enables automatic formulas, and gives you more control over your data. Plus, with just Ctrl+T, it's lightning fast. That's all for today's tutorial on inserting tables in Excel. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Excel tips. In the next video, we'll explore how to use filters and slicers in tables to dig deeper into your data. See you there.